I think in this show, people will know the truth. Dito namin, this is an opportunity for us to tell the truth and to be real. So, abangan nila sa e-channel.
Mabuti
Matagal namin
pinag-usapan yung...
pinag-isipan. Matagal namin pinlano to. Matagal namin pinaghandaan. So, we're ready. Kung ano man ang mangyari, we're ready.
You're 30 years old now.
Yeah.
It's like a milestone talaga.
Yeah, so perfect timing na nagkaroon kami ng reality show about the family. So kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa sa amin, yun ang makikita. Hindi, I mean, it's been, ang dami nang nagtatanong sa amin for the last few months. And, we just can't wait to answer it. You know what I mean? So we just can't wait to tell the people the truth. So, like what we've been through, kung ano pinagdaanan namin, kung ano man yung naging struggles namin ni Sarah. Nobody, not a lot of people knows about it. One major life decision at a time. Kami ni Sarah ngayon, ang goal namin this year is to work, especially for her. She's been out for a year, so
And she's back, no?
and now she's back. So naka-concentrate siya ngayon. She wants to work again. She missed acting. She missed singing. So
She
I'm
can
letting
appear
her
in your
live her life.
show.
We have family in the States, Sarah has family in Europe, so we visited both sides. So we went to the States and we went to Europe. Despite what we've been through, we can still have fun and enjoy each other, and we can still laugh and discover new things about each other, even though na may mga pinagdaanan kami together. Yeah. So naging mas matatag yung relationship namin. And nakita ko kung gaano rin katatag si Sarah as a person. Nakita ko na kahit na may mga pinagdadaanan siya, she can still smile, she can still laugh with me, and she can still support me in whatever I do. So, yeah. Alam mo, for us, medyo experimental din siya eh. Kasi first time namin gagawin to. So hindi talaga namin alam kung paano kami magre-react. But yun nga, when we did that episode, kung saan parang tinest shoot kami, in the beginning, medyo mag-conscious ka na may camera, di ba? Pero all throughout the day, pag nakasunod sa yung camera, parang makakalimutan mo may camera na eh, di ba? So parang bahala na kung ano mangyari. Basta I'm gonna be myself. Ang hirap naman mag-pretend 24 hours, di ba? So it's gonna be all natural, and yung director nga namin, kung ano pa yung siguro ayaw namin ipakita, baka yung pang ipakita niya.
Kasi